In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can use a program called Reflections, or Reflector as it's now called, to allow your students to connect to your laptop so that you can project what's on their screens during class. So first I'm going to open up Reflections. And if it's your first time running it, there are a few settings I would suggest that you change. If I go to Reflection and Preferences, you can change the name of your computer that the students are connecting to. I'm going to make it Mr. Sellers so it's easy to find. I also suggest that you add a password, but make it simple. I'm going to make this one 7777. That way it keeps students off the network if they're not in your class. I also like to enable launch full screen when someone connects, and then I'll click done. One other setting you might want to change, this is personal preference, but it's set by default to show an iPad looking frame around the screen when someone connects, and I like to disable that. Alright, so I've got Reflection running on my laptop. You can see that projected here in the background. So in order to connect to that from my iPad, I'm going to double click the home screen, slide over to the right, click the AirPlay button, and I can see the network there that I created called Mr. Sellers, so I'll select that. Next, in order to see that on the screen, I'm going to have to turn on mirroring. Okay, so you can see now that it is connected. And I've got control over the screen now, so I can show what I need to show. If you want to disconnect from it, double click on the home button again. And I can either turn off mirroring. Another option is just to select my iPad as the AirPlay device.